Croeso nôl I WelshBloke Walking. Welcome back to WelshBloke Walking. Today I'm visiting Castell Dinas Bran in Llangollen. My walk starts here at the showground of the International Eisteddfod, which is situated just outside Llangollen. This annual Eisteddfod attracts people from all over the world, and many famous people have performed here over the years, including the amazing Italian tenor Luciano Pavarotti. I'm starting at the car park here because it connects directly to the canal, which is the path I'm going to use to get into Llangollen itself. The Llangollen end of the canal will deposit me directly onto the Dinas Bran path. I could of course have driven into Llangollen, but this way is much, much prettier. I just love this old barge horse. Transport from a bygone age, still being used for the pleasure of visitors today. The Llangollen wharf, with its gift shop and bustling tea room, lets us know that we have at last arrived in the town. And much as I'd like to stop for tea and cake, I've a castle to find. So I continue through and over the bridge. Not long after I've joined the footpath, the weather takes a turn for the worse, and it starts raining. So I shelter under some trees. Through the rain, I get my first glimpse of Castell Dinas Bran. After a while, the rain eases slightly, and I decide to go for it. And just a few minutes later, glorious sunshine breaks out again. Well, that's Wales for you. In fact, just a few minutes further on, and it has become so hot I now had to shed some clothing. Inevitably, as soon as I had done so, yep, it started again. Ah well, just keep pushing on and hope for the best. Well, as you can see, I've had to put my coat back on. Well, so far this journey has been quite uppy, but now it's very, very uppy. Well, we're nearly there, boys and girls. Dinas Bran is one of the few surviving Welsh-built stone castles. It was constructed in the 13th century by Gruffydd ap Madoc, ruler of northern Powys. It was said to be the seat of King Bran, known as Bran Fendigedaidd or Bran the Blessed. He was an ancient Welsh hero who was the son of Llyr and a descendant of King Arthur. And it is said that the Holy Grail is buried beneath this castle. King Bran is thought by some authorities to be an early Grail king. In one version of the legend, the Grail king is named as Brawn. The association is strengthened by the similar wounds the two shared. The Grail king was wounded in the thigh, and Bran was wounded in the foot. But with the help of the Holy Grail, the king was cured, and in thanks for this cure, he offered to build a strong castle on top of a hill overlooking a fast-flowing river in which to house the Holy Grail. Once the castle was finished, a magical inscription appeared on the gates, saying that this castle must be named Corbenic. Dinas Bran is of course built on a high hill, with the fast-flowing Afon Dyfrdwy river below. The clincher between the Grail castle and Dinas Bran, though, is in the name Corbenic. Corbenic is an old French word meaning crow or raven, which in Welsh is Bran. So Dinas Bran is literally Corbenic in Welsh. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Diolch am wylio, thanks for watching. Byddwch yn ofalus, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.